We back with another B-body, guys. 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has a set of 22-inch Quarter Classic reps, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. And if you like those set of wheels, we have them in stock and ready to ship. Just hit us up and we'll get you squared away. She has the stock 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame is solid, floor pans has surface and a little pitting going on. You can knock it down and treat it and she'll be good to go. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid. She has the factory RPO code sticker. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good shape. Seats show minor wear. Headliner. We'll check out the miles on startup. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition. Package tray. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the LT1 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. Let's start her up. Mileage reached a little under 100,000. Make sure y'all go visit rollermuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Don't miss out. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.